Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. It doesn't matter which season it is, there's a dish that I like to make often, and it's soup. What? A soup during summertime? Why not? Of course, the soup is not hot, it's chilled. There are many delicious recipes like Gazpacho, vichyssoise, and others, including this popular Spanish one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Sopa Ajoblanco. This dish is packed with flavor. There's a beautiful mix of ingredients, giving this soup such a refreshing taste. This is definitely an amazing recipe to make during the hot summer months. So my friends, let's get cooking.
There are a couple ingredients we'll have to prep the night before, okay? Here are the almonds that I blanched earlier. Blanching them is incredibly easy and there's no need to buy them at the store. Plus you'll be saving money by doing it yourself. To learn more about the method, click on the top right corner of your screen. So we'll pour enough cool water over them to cover and let them soak for 15 hours. Next, we'll look after the bread. Here I have some French bread, and what we'll do after slicing it is to remove the crust. Very simple, right? Then we'll cube it, and what we need is a cup that's been pushed down a bit, just like I'm doing right now. And here's our compressed cup. For the topping, we'll also need some bread cubes, about a quarter cup. We'll leave both of them overnight to dry out. The next day, we'll take our 1 cup of bread and pour some heavy cream on top, enough to absorb without making them too wet. As we stir the ingredients, the dried bread will absorb enormously. Is that the way the Spanish make this soup? No, it's the way this French lady here does it, and I love it. See, now the bread is soft again, and we'll let it rest for 15 minutes. Next, let's take care of our almonds. After draining them, we'll reserve 2 tablespoons for garnish. Alright, let's make the soup. In the jar of a blender, we'll add our soaked bread, the blanched almonds, followed by low-sodium chicken broth, then a few tablespoons of sherry vinegar. The brand I'm using is this one, Vinagre de Jerez. We'll also add a couple cloves of chopped garlic, a little bit of ground sea salt, and the same with white pepper. We'll place the lid and remove the cap. We'll process on low speed until the ingredients are blended, about a minute. Then we'll stop, and before we start emulsifying the oil, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. We'll restart the blender, and in a slow stream, we'll pour in the extra virgin olive oil. We don't want to rush a step, otherwise the oil will separate from the mixture, and it's definitely not the results we're looking for. When the oil is all incorporated, we'll taste again and adjust it. Mine needed a little bit more ground sea salt and white pepper. Of course, if we add anything, we'll have to blend once again. We'll pour the soup into a large bowl. Look how nice and white it is. Gorgeous. Then we'll cover and transfer to the fridge for at least 6 hours. About 10 minutes before we serve the soup, we'll add a couple tablespoons of oil to a small skillet over medium heat. We'll also add some hot paprika and stir to blend with the oil. When it gets hot, we'll add our quarter cup of bread and toss it around until well coated. As I was trying to do that, I switched to a more efficient kitchen tool. It happens sometimes. So we'll toast them until they get a nice golden color like this. It should take about 3 to 4 minutes. We'll remove from the heat and add a few bread cubes in the center of the bowl. Then we'll add some chopped blanched almonds on top, place some grapes around, and finish with olive oil drops. And my friends, this is our Sopa Ajoblanco. Refreshing and delicious, this cold soup is perfect to serve on a hot summer day. Well seasoned, it's also packed with healthy ingredients, making this dish even more appealing. If you never had this tasty Spanish recipe before, this is certainly a must for the season. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit cookfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!